You roll over once, and the earthquake starts to creep. Sounds like a chainsaw fighting a bear in a wind tunnel under a freight train in midair. I nudge you sweet, then I nudge you mean. You just snore, flip and raise the decibels. Babe, I love you, but the walls are shaking. Neighbors think I'm renovating. You snore so loud I can't sleep. Sounds like thunder in a 6-foot heap. I tried earplugs, white noise, a fan on 10. You hit a note that blew them all again. I love your heart, I love your soul, but at night you sound like a rock and roll trombone in a hurricane. You snore so loud I can't sleep. 2 a.m. I'm on the other bed with the kids. They're covering their ears, writing a complaint list. You're dreaming in surround sound, full IMAX. I'm googling, can you divorce a soundtrack? Tried recording you once for a joke to keep. Played it back and the phone started to weep. Babe, I love you, but my eyes are red. Might move your pillow out to the shed. You snore so loud I can't sleep. Sounds like thunder in a 6-foot heap. I tried earplugs, white noise, a fan on 10. You hit a note that blew them all again. I love your heart, I love your soul, but at night you sound like a rock and roll trombone in a hurricane. You snore so loud I can't sleep. Doctor said sleep apnea, maybe. You said nah, just dreaming in HD. Got you nasal strips, a brand new bed. You still jackhammering in the garden shed, but when you wake up, kiss my face. All the noise disappears without a trace. You snore so loud I can't sleep. Sounds like thunder in a 6-foot heap. But I'd rather have no rest at night than a quiet room without you by my side. So keep on rumbling like a